Okay, first we're gonna reduce the number of sunflowers. Right now we have 5. We're gonna go down to 2, and we're not going to bunch them with the tomatoes, which has been a problem with the tomatoes. We're gonna rethink how to do them, fewer and less bunched. But if you'll turn to
Tomatoes.
that tomato there, that was from Tesco, and it's like unbelievably fruitful. The next is strawberries. We're going to do less strawberries because we have too many already. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and so we're going to keep the ones that Scott has actually cloned. The next is the ivy on the grill. That's a hellebore and some ivy. We're going to replace the ivy with nasturtiums, but purple and white nasturtiums. We're going to get rid of those nasturtiums and probably put something like lavender or some other bee-friendly purple thing in there. Underneath the window, if we go over to the window now, we're going to empty this trough of the hydrangeas. We're going to empty that, and we're going to give one to Sally, our friend Sally, but we're going to probably fill it then with a combination of cilantro and purple sage. We have saved seeds from last year's cilantro, and I bought seeds for purple sage. In the windowsill, instead of this
Cilantro,
we're going to do basil. Now we're going to ditch things like the primrose is going to go, the little purples are going to go, the ones that have had it, there's one on the end that we don't need to have anymore either. We'll keep the healthy ones, these purple, but I think they're annuals anyway, so we may have to replace them anyway. We're going to keep the 3 hellebore here, here, and here, because they seem to be healthy and they look nice in the fall, in the autumn. We're going to keep the lavender and the fleabane. We might get more lavender, I think, because that's also bee friendly. But the fleabane is just wonderful. We're very happy with that. We do want to overall maintain a kind of a general theme. That's why we're going to get rid of the nasturtiums that are yellow and orange, because it doesn't really go with the only orange stuff we're going to have are the tomatoes. That's it.
you want to talk about window?
Oh yes, the one thing that we're thinking about exactly is adding window baskets underneath the windows from upstairs, just because it'll give it a nicer.
So now I'm just going to do a panorama of the whole garden.
Right. Okay.
So you can see what it's like now.
Yeah. Beautiful seeding. Just so we haven't even mentioned the climbers, but the climbers have been fantastic.
Yeah.
The clematis, they have been great. The jasmine, it's finally really taken off there in the corner. And these two, they're little skinny, but I think we're going to have a good time this year. Look at this one is still blooming.
Yep.
And this one over in the one behind is still blooming. So it's just amazing.
And that's it.